Deadly crash in Milan. Unlicensed driver destroys rental G-Class. One dead. A horrific crash in Milan, Italy, early Sunday morning resulted in one fatality and left 3 others injured. The incident involved a rental, Mercedes-Benz G-Class and an Opel Corsa, with the force of the collision tearing the G-Class's chassis completely away from the vehicle's body. The crash highlights the dangers of reckless driving and the potential consequences of operating a vehicle without proper authorization. The incident, a scene of devastation. The crash occurred when the rental G-Class, reportedly driven by a 20-year-old man without a valid driver's license, collided with an Opel Corsa driven by a 32-year-old man who tested positive for drugs. The impact was so severe that the G-Class's ladder frame chassis separated from the body, leaving a scene of extensive damage. The 19-year-old passenger in the G-Class died from his injuries, while the 30-year-old woman and 23-year-old man sustained injuries. The Opel Corsa's driver was also injured. Deception and identification. Initial confusion at the scene led responders to believe the 19-year-old victim was the driver. However, police quickly identified the unlicensed 20-year-old as the actual driver after he attempted to mislead authorities by posing as a bystander. Surveillance footage exposed his deception, revealing blood-stained clothing and a missing shoe found inside the wrecked G-Class. Investigators cross-referenced the footage with CCTV recordings to confirm his identity. The vehicle and the risks. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, known for its high price tag, starting over $180,000 and easily exceeding $300,000 with upgrades, is a heavy and powerful SUV. Its tall stance and considerable weight make it prone to rollovers, especially when combined with reckless driving. The crash serves as a grim reminder of the risks associated with operating such a vehicle without proper training or authorization. Investigation and aftermath authorities are still piecing together the exact sequence of events. Speed is considered a potential contributing factor, though the investigation is ongoing. The crash raises questions about rental vehicle oversight and the enforcement of licensing regulations. The tragedy underscores the devastating consequences of irresponsible driving behavior. The incident serves as a stark reminder that operating a vehicle, particularly a high-performance SUV like the G-Class, requires skill, training, and adherence to the law. The reckless actions of an unlicensed driver resulted in a fatal crash, leaving a trail of destruction and grief.